Okay, so now we have our table completed, right? And now we have to make our histogram. So we're going to make our histogram by highlighting, and I've told you before to start the first one where you have stuff, but I mean it's fine to do it this way, and I'm going to show you this way because it might look prettier and you might like it. Oh my goodness, I forgot to make a relative frequencies percents. So let's go ahead and highlight that and fix that up. There's percents, there's data, there's a decimal place. Good. It's like well past midnight, so if I talk wrong, I apologize. Alright, here's our frequency. I'm going to highlight everything here. I'm going to go to Insert, the Insert page, leaving the home, going to Insert. Now I'm going to click on Column. Your column on most Excel forms is not going to look like mine. There's going to be a little section up there, and you'll have a column in there. I'm using a very zoomed in version of Excel, and it's an older version, so some of the programs up here towards the top look much bigger and larger than they normally would. It's because I have it outside of the screen, but right now I'm at 160%. It looks even worse when I go up to where I was before. Now I'm at like 200%. So these commands now, it thinks I'm blind, so it makes it really big. Either way, you have to find column and choose the very first column chart. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Let's zoom out a little bit. Alright. Doesn't need to be that big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. There it is. That is not a histogram. That's okay. I'm going to go to where I have chart layouts. You guys should have quick layouts. Either way, you go in there and you look, and which one looks like a histogram. Histograms have to have bars together, and they're all the same color. Ta-da! And that's my histogram. That is not a pretty one. It's almost bimodal. It might not even have a good shape at all. I'm going to lean towards bimodal. Yeah, just because it's got a good one. And they're not both at the end. That'll work. Now, the problem is I want to have good stuff in here. I want to have boundaries down here at the bottom. And I want titles everywhere. So I'm going to right click and go down to select data. You guys will have a more arrow. Eventually you'll find select data. Get this box. So it looks like this box that pops up. Our vertical stuff is fine. I want the horizontal. Horizontal goes across. I want that to get fixed. So I'm going to click edit. Now if you cannot highlight a group of things, watch, I'm going to see if this trick works here. I want the lower boundaries, and since I highlighted everything for the vertical stuff, for the frequencies, I have to highlight everything now. If I cannot highlight, I'll click on the first thing. Everyone see that? I will push colon. You have to know what a colon looks like and be able to find colon. If you can't do that, you're in trouble. It does the exact same thing again. I don't want that. I want to go back and I'm going to find the number for the last one I have. My last row where I have stuff is a 7. So I push 7 and push enter. And he gets it all in there. Oh my goodness, that's all the hard stuff. Now, I'm going to click on my boundaries, see down here, and I'm going to align them to the left. Alignment is over here in home, so I'm going to go over to home. I'm going to click the left align thing right here. Boom, there it is. So I clicked on my cell numbers for my boundaries right there, went up here to home, and then I clicked left align right there. Alright, almost done. See, now it looks like my first boundary actually starts at 44.5. The bar goes in the middle and it ends at 51.5. Where this one starts and it ends at 58.5. Where this one starts and it ends at 65.5. Where this one starts and it ends at 72.5. And I like kind of having the space in there because now it actually looks like things go. If I could get that number to disappear, it'd be beautiful. Maybe if I could just get this one to have a smaller set of font, but I don't think that's going to work. Oh, I don't want that. Ignore what I just pushed. Alright, I want a chart title. I click it once. No, that's not it. I go up here to my formula bar and I can just start typing. This right here is, these were weights of first graders. And by the way, this is a histogram. You would not necessarily tell me what it was in there in general, but since, you know, this is a class and not a